Okay. Last lecture we have learned division algorithm. This is in brief what division algorithm is. Then in the end we have learned remainder theorem. Remainder theorem says that if your divisor polynomial is a linear polynomial of the type x plus k, then remainder is a of opposite of k. It could be 0, it could be any real number. Degree of r of x must be less than that of this. Degree of b of x is, therefore r of x is a real number. And what is that real number? A of opposite of k. Okay, today we will learn factor theorem and then we will try to apply these theorems to solve problems. Factor statement: let a of x belong to r of x. Let k belongs to r. X minus k is a factor of a of x if a of k is equal to 0. X minus k is a factor of a of x if and only if a of k is 0. This is what is factor theorem. So if a of k is 0, x minus k is a factor. If x minus k is a factor, a of k will be 0. I give you 3-4 minutes to write down your own proof. After that I will write. Resume recording. Part 1. Remainder theorem. If a of k is given, then remainder theorem gives a of x is equal to x minus k into q of x plus a of k. This is what is remainder theorem. Therefore, if a of k is 0, then a of x is equal to x minus k into q of x. Implies x minus k is factor of a of x. Part 2. If x minus k is factor of a of x, that means there exists q of x belonging to r of x. By division algorithm, there exists unique q of x belonging to r of x such that a of x is equal to x minus k into q of x. Implies a of k is equal to k minus k into q of k, which is equal to 0. Theorem proved. Any doubt, difficulty, question? Question. If you don't have question, ask question. Let A of x belong to R of x. When A of x is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 5. When x minus 2 same is divided by x minus 3, the remainder is 11. Find remainder. When A of x is divided by
सर पहिल्या ह्याच्यात ए ऑफ एक्स शोधायचा आहे ना.
minus 5x plus 6 काय
पहिल्या ह्याच्यात ए ऑफ एक्स शोधायचा आहे ना.
काय पहिलं काय
सर क्वेश्चन व्हेन ए ऑफ एक्स इज डिवाइडेड बाय. अच्छा कळालं.
अरे हा अख्खा एक क्वेश्चन आहे.
कळालं सर.
हा स्टार्ट सॉल्व. फाइंड द रिमाइंडर. When A of x is divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. By division algorithm, A of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, that is our b of x, into q of x plus r of x. Now, division algorithm says r of x can have degree 1 or 0, or it could be 0 polynomial. So, degree of r of x is less than 2. So, it could be 0, it could be 1, or r of x is equal to 0. Three cases. So what can we assume r of x as? Degree 1 u of x plus v. Suppose I assume r of x u of x plus v. So if u is non-zero, then degree of r of x is 1. If u is 0 and v is not 0, then degree of r of x is 0. And if u and v both of them are 0, then r of x is 0.
सर एकदा ते यू एक्स प्लस व्ही परत सांगता का.
हो तर मी ते सांगतोय त्याच्याकडे लक्ष दिलंस तर समजेल ना. व्यवस्थितच सांग. म्हणजे तू ऐकत नाहीयेस आणि माझं जेव्हा संपतंय सांगून तेव्हा म्हणतोयस की परत सांग.
बॅकग्राऊंड मध्ये आवाज होता मला काहीच ऐकू आलं नाही.
बर. बाय डिव्हिजन अल्गोरिथम युअर divisor polynomial is having degree 2. Therefore, remainder polynomial will have degree 0 or degree 1, or the polynomial itself will be 0. So wisely we will assume remainder polynomial as ux plus v, where u and v are real numbers. So if u is 0, v is 0, then it is remainder is 0. If u is 0, v is not 0, then degree is 0. And if u is not 0, then degree is 1. So all three cases are taken care by the remainder ux plus v. So what happens now? A of x is equal to, this gets factorized. What are the factors? X minus 2, x minus 3 into q of x plus ux plus v. Okay. Now this is what is the work which we have done by reading the last sentence of the question. Last sentence we are using so far. Now we have been given with some information. If divided by 5, if ax is divided by x minus 2, remainder is 5. So let us see how much is remainder when x minus 2. So remainder a of 2 is equal to 5. That is what is given. A of 2 is 5. But a of 2 we can find out on our own. 2 minus 2, 2 minus 3, q of 2 plus 2u plus v. That is what is our a of 2. This is 0. Therefore, this term is 0. Hence, we end up getting one equation. 2u plus v is equal to 5. Now, we have one more information with us, which is a of x is equal to, the other information that we have is a of 5 is equal to 9. काय information आहे आपल्याकडे?
A of 3.
A of 3 is equal to 11, which is equal to 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3, q of 3 plus 3u plus v, which is equal to 3u plus v is equal to 11. Oh, we have two equations. Okay, we have two equations. We should solve them simultaneously. Therefore, 1 minus 2 implies u is equal to 7. 6. 6. U is equal to 6. And if you put u is equal to 6 in one of the two equations, v is equal to 7. Therefore, remainder polynomial r of x.
Sir, v is equal to -7.
V is equal to -7 है का? 7 3 18 -7 is 6u. 6x minus 7 is your answer. समजतंय का? लिहून घ्या. Next problem, just by changing numbers. If a of x is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is 7. A of x is divided by x minus 3, remainder is 12. Find remainder when a of x is divided by x square minus x minus 6. None of the answer is going to be bad. I mean, the u's and v's that you will find are not going to be good, but you should do it. Okay, answer for this is x plus 9. Simple. You are fortunate to get these coefficients integer. Otherwise, I had not planned it accordingly. You are lucky. Next, consider a of x is equal to x4 minus 2x cube minus 8x square minus 43x plus 40. Compute a of 5. The answer is 0, implies x minus 5 is factor of a of x. Okay, good. Find second factor. Okay, so you have either performed long division, is easy. I mean, that is what is a conventional thing to do, but we need to do it little faster. Therefore, x fourth minus 2x cube minus 8x square minus 43x plus 40, which is equal to
सर 4x लिहिले तुम्ही
कुठे रे इथे का x minus 5 you should keep watching continuously. So x minus 5 sorry x fifth आणि इथे चुकलं काहीतरी फिफ्थ कुठून आला x fourth minus 5x cube. If I write, then I can take x cube common and I will get x minus 5 constant here, common here between the two terms. But I don't have minus 5x cube, I have minus 2x cube. So I must add 3x cube. So I am not damaging, I am keeping the polynomial same. Now if I have 3x square, then I must have 15x square here. So that if I take 3x square common out, I will get x minus 5 here. But I don't have minus 15x square, I have minus 8x square. Therefore, it should be plus 7x square. So 7x square and I want minus 5. So what's up? Plus this 35x. If I take 7x common, I will get x minus 5 as a common factor in this, but I don't have 35x. I have 43x, therefore minus 8x plus 40. Very good. This is equal to x cube inside bracket x minus 5 plus 3x square inside bracket x minus 5 plus 7x inside bracket x minus 5 minus 8 inside bracket x minus 5, which is equal to x minus 5 times x cube plus 3x square plus 7x minus 8. We will call this as method of forcing factor. That factor it was invisible, but we forced it to be factor. And because a of 5 was 0, the last constant term practically helps us to get that constant back. This is first method, which is long division. Second method, method of forcing factor. But we don't have that much time. I mean, okay, for all academic purpose, you can learn this, but we don't have that much time. Nor we have time to do long division. So my version of method of forcing factor is more or less same, but we do need to do more mentally than by hand. Therefore, x fourth minus 2x cube minus 8x square minus 43x plus 40. I mean, whatever we have done here by hand, we write it directly. Now we know it is degree 4 first term. This is linear, therefore first term is going to be x cube. So if I write x cube here, I have generated x fourth. So my job of first term is over. But in that process, I have generated minus 5x cube. But I wanted only minus 2x cube. Is that right? I have generated minus 5x cube. But I wanted only minus 2x cube. Therefore, 3x cube minus 3 3x square I will write here. So that I add 3x cube, this end is, and I subtract 5x cube, I get minus 2h. Array, Zamla. But in this process, I have produced minus 15x square. But I wanted only minus 8x square. Therefore, I will put plus 7x. So this 7x into x is plus 7x square plus 3x square into minus 5, that is minus 15x square, add up to minus 8. Third term is done. But in the process, I have generated 7 minus 35x. But I wanted minus 48x. And I have only x here. So I might as well write minus 8 here. So minus 8x minus 35x is 43. Good. And if I am lucky, and if factor theorem gives us, remainder theorem gives us 0, I have to just cross check whether minus 8 into minus 5 is 40 or not. And it will be. If this is 0, it will be. So this is one-liner factorization of polynomial. Okay?
So,
yes.
So here you gave us the number 5, but when we don't have the number 5, how are we going to find out what factor we should use?
What is, we will learn one by slowly. Now we are learning the techniques of forcing factor. Finding if factor is known to us, how to find out second factor. Step by step we will do. We will learn methods of finding factors also. Okay, have you understood what I have said? Or have you got everything that I have said just now?
Yes, sir.
Say yes. Yes. So now I will give you a problem. By method 3, you should tell me what is the second factor. You should not do anything like this. You should not do anything like this, long division. You should directly write the second factor. Okay, orally. Okay, maybe I will modify it a little bit. X raised to 5 plus 6x4 plus 4x cube minus 2x square plus 5x minus 40. Okay, find a of 1. If 0, find second factor. Kara? Okay, next problem, ax is equal to 2x4 plus x cube minus 7x square plus x minus 63. Find a of minus 3, and if 0, find second factor. So, okay, students have found out a of minus 3. A of minus 3 happens to be equal to 6. Now you must have done it by one method. Let me show you another method which is called synthetic division. What you do is you take down all those factors just like that without any x. So the method I will show you: 2, 1, minus 7, 1, minus 63. One line like this, another line like this. Now, let me recollect. A of minus 3 you are supposed to find out. So x plus 3 you are going to be, जरा थांबा मला बरेच दिवसात केलं नाही मी. अरे एक मिनिट जरा मला हे करू द्या. काय झालं बघा, ब्लँक. जस्ट अ मोमेंट. Let me go through whatever I have done earlier. So one कमाल झाली माझी. 1 minus 2 minus 8 minus 43 40, and I am supposed to do 5 1. ठीक. ओके. मी गेल्या वर्षी शिकवलं नाही काय, आठवत नाही मला आता. Okay, you pull this number as it is down to multiply it by minus 3, make it minus 6, add them minus 5, this multiplied by this plus 15, add them plus 8, then 8 3 24 minus 24 minus 23, 23 69 makes it 6. So the last number is your remainder, and this is your quotient polynomial. 2x, our polynomial was x4, therefore this is x cube minus 5x square plus 8x minus 23. This is q of x, and r of x is equal to 6, and this is what is synthetic division. Okay, I think I messed it up in the first place, therefore let me show you for this problem. Okay, let me show you for that problem. Oh, recording was on. 1 6 4 minus 2 5 minus 14. I have written all the coefficients. then leave some gap. Write down what a of what you want to 1. Make first one as it is 1, 1 into 1, 1. Add them 7, 7 into 1, 7. Correct है ना? 7 आणि 4 11, 11. My plus 9, 9. No, 14 plus 14, 0. So q of x is equal to x raised to 4 plus 7x cube plus 11x square plus 9x plus 14. That was your q of x, and r of x was 0. That is the last one. Okay, have you understood? Have you understood this subtractive division method? It is just the method. We will write down the proof why it works, but right now you are supposed to learn the method. Shall I give you a fresh problem where you get quotient polynomial as well as remainder polynomial by using synthetic division? Are you ready, or you want me to solve one more?
Sir, can you wait for a minute? I am writing it.
Oh, sure, sure. Or if you want, I can do one more and then give it to you. If you don't want, I can give it to you directly.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, so if minus 63 would have been minus 69, then a minus 3 would have been 0.
Yes. Yes. This constant, while checking your previous answer, I was doing calculations, but I messed it up, and therefore instead of 69, I wrote 63. Okay, otherwise I wanted you to find out the second factor. But anyway, होता रहता है. If the divisor polynomial is linear polynomial, x plus k type polynomial, then only you have to use this synthetic division as you find remainder and quotient. Polynomial. When 3x raised to 4 minus 7x cube plus 5x plus 12 is divided by x plus 3. Okay, answer for this question is remainder is 429. Quotient polynomial is 3x cube minus 16x square plus 48x minus 139. Okay, so now what modification should I put so that still majority of you will get wrong answer? X, next problem. X minus 5 divides x raised to 4 plus 3x square minus 7x plus k. Find k. Easy. Okay, so answer for this is minus 665. Next question. x plus 2 divides 2x cube minus 3x square. इथं मला पण माहिती नाही, मी एक क्यूबची टर्म काढले म्हणून दोन आन्सर. इथे एक 0 येणार ना मध्ये. ज्यांनी 0 घेतला नाही त्यांचं आलं 147 काहीतरी आन्सर. ओके, 2x क्यूब मायनस 3x स्क्वेअर प्लस kx प्लस 5. फाइंड k. Relatively easy, because first of all the divisor polynomial which is given to you is product of two linear factors, x minus 2 and x plus 1. नहीं नहीं है ना? Oh,
Okay.
it is not. Okay, so then it is good question. Good question. You have to just check. You have to just. How did you?
But it would have actually complex roots, the polynomial.
Hmm. Okay, so you actually performed a long division and solved it, correct? Now let me show you method of forcing factor. In this case, follow me. X raised to 4 plus x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 6 is equal to x square minus x plus 2. Now you will start writing second factor and take care of remaining terms. We want x fourth, we have x square, therefore I must have x square. X square into x square gives me x fourth, first term is done. But because I have written x square here, I have produced minus x cube, right? And I am supposed to produce plus x cube. So I need plus 2. I mean, you are supposed to look at this and this. Because coefficient of this is 1, you need 2x. Then only you will get plus 2x cube minus x cube is equal to x cube. Second term is done. Now as far as x square is concerned, you have to be little more careful because there are three ways of generating x square. First is minus 1 into plus 2. So you got minus 2x square with you. Then you have plus 2x square with you. And you want plus 3x square. Right? So the third constant that we will write is 3. Because I have to look at this into this. So plus 3x square. These are the x squares that I have. If I add them up, I get 3x square. Yes, correct. And now if I am lucky and if this is a factor of this, then everything else will fall in place. Let us figure out how much is coefficient of x. 2 into 2, 4x, minus 3 into 1, minus 3 into 1, minus 3x, which is x, which is correct. And if we are lucky, we get constant also 6. Array, समझ का? I mean, this is method of forcing factor, and this you will save a lot of time. You will save lot of time. Let me give you one more. Let me check whether by method of forcing factor, whether you get the second factor or not. X raised to 4 plus 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 7 is equal to x square plus x minus 3 into what plus k. Find what and k. First, once again, you start forcing the factor, take charge of all the terms. First two terms will match. Second term, anyway, you have produced minus x square minus 3x square plus 2x square minus x square. Therefore, constant term becomes 0, and because constant term is 0, the x term you can calculate and constant you can calculate, you end up getting remainder 8x plus 7. That is where we stop for the day.